Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 2 of our online learning. We've switched over to Google Classroom, so welcome. I'm glad you found this. I'm just going to go over what you need to do for the week. If you are in Google Classroom, please make sure you are clicking on the classwork part. When you enter, it'll bring you to stream. But again, this is kind of confusing. So if you click on classwork, it'll put it into nice, neat folders for you. We are on week 2. The first thing you could look at are the week 2 directions. So watch the directions video, which is what you're watching right now. Then you're going to complete an action verbs and linking verbs practice, just like we do in class. And then you are going to complete capitalization and punctuation practice, which comes from great writing, which you have also done. I have also included the links to the 2 help sessions that I'm going to be running. I'll do this every week. Tuesdays at 10:30. This is the link for that. And then Thursdays at 1. For some reason, Thursdays is making me give a password. So when you click on the link and enter the Zoom meeting, this is the password that you are going to use every Thursday. I'll try to turn it off, but I don't know if it's going to let me. So if you need help or you're confused about anything, or you just kind of want to check in, see if anybody else is there, say hi, hang out for a little bit, that's fine as well. All right, so let's look at what we're doing this week. So first is the action and linking verbs. We were doing this when we were in school. If you remember an action verb, that's the action. That's what the subject is doing. A linking verb, those are our forms of to be. So a linking verb connects the subject of the sentence to the noun. So these are the words like is, are, am, was, were. Those are our linking verbs. So, and I give you those examples down here. Okay, so you can see those as well. So, first thing you need to do is you are going to read the paragraph about marathon runners. I want you to highlight, that's that little highlight color up here, the action verbs. So, if they're doing something, running, jump, um, speak, work, those are all action verbs. I want you to highlight them in yellow. Okay. Linking verbs is, are, were, was. I want you to highlight those in blue. Okay. So that's for this paragraph here. Down below, you have 10 sentences. You need to fill in a verb to complete the sentence. In parentheses, it tells you what type of verb. So if it's an action, you need to give me an action verb. If it says linking, then you can use the is, are, was, whatever linking verb you need. Okay, so that is the action verbs and linking verbs. If you're confused, come to one of the help sessions. Okay. Your second assignment for this week is capitalization and punctuation. So, first part, editing simple sentences. You need to correct the capitalization mistake and add a period at the end of these 11 sentences. This should be pretty easy. I don't see anybody having difficulty with this. Pretty straightforward. Correct any capitalization and put a period at the end of each sentence. Okay. Then we move on to question marks and exclamation points. Again, this should be review. You should know this. So, not all sentences end in periods. We also have question marks and exclamation points. You can read over these directions. If you need help, again, come to the help session. So, down below, the second part that you have to do is you have to decide what type of sentence these, how many is it? 10 sentences are. Okay. Is it a statement? You would put an S. Okay. If it's a question, you put a Q. If it's an exclamation sentence, you put an E. Okay. Then you have to put the correct punctuation at the end of the sentence. So 1 and 2 are done for you. So number 1, how many days are in a month? This is a question. So they put a Q and then they put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Number 2, the answer depends on the month. This is a statement. They put S and then they put a period at the end of the sentence. You can see 3 through 10 do not have any punctuation at the end. You need to add the punctuation and tell me what type of sentence it is. So you're going to be writing Q, S, or E. Okay, and then that's it for the week. Again, if you have questions in the week 2 directions, okay, so in classwork here, week 2 directions, these have the links to my Zoom meetings, Tuesday at 10:30 and Thursday at 1. You can also email me at any time. As long as I'm awake, I will answer you. All right, good luck, guys. Let me know if you need anything, and I will talk to you later. Bye.